kind of freedom when you have a pour or an utensil. Before we get into business, it's expected to bring in over the water. When I first started with this, I thought you're already running a 6-figure or multi-6-figure wine business, so your prices should be based on value.
Lost my spot for the tripod. I got this shirt from Amazon. I really like it. I just tucked it in. It's really long. It's like tucked into my ankles, but I really like it. I'm deciding if I need a belt. Foi do seu sorriso que encontrei a paz. Alguém que preciso. Okay, we're gonna try a new angle. I have you on the back counter, but I zoomed in a little. And I feel like now you can see me, you can see the counter, you can see what I'm doing, instead of me constantly having to be like, hey. I'm wearing this new shirt I got from Amazon. I think I really love it. I'm about to put some creamer. This is the Starbucks oat milk brown sugar shaken espresso creamer. I always do dash. Okay, the second dash was a little light. Okay. I do that every single day, and I've weighed it out before, and it's pretty much 3 tablespoons every time, so I just stopped weighing it out because it's close enough on average that I don't really care, and I just track it as 100 calories. It's 30 calories per tablespoon, so we're even overestimating a little. For lunch, I think I'm going to bring buffalo chicken and rice. We had this the other night. It's a Skinny-ish dish recipe. I'll link it for you below. It's fabulous. I've made it a ton of times. I always feel like it needs more rice. Like when I'm looking at the recipe, it's 2 pounds of chicken, 1 cup of rice, but it really doesn't. It makes a ton. I mean, you could probably do like a little more if you wanted, but I wouldn't do more than like 1/3 of a cup extra rice because it really does have plenty. So, and if you want it to look pretty, you need to buy like some fresh parsley or something because it's just gonna look, you know, like white chicken and white rice. And I'm trying to decide what to do about breakfast. Okay. I'm just going to make a quick pancake bowl because I don't really have anything planned. I do have a protein shake in there, so I'm like, should I just have that? Okay, we're going to go for the pancake bowl because I do have like 3 minutes, so we have enough time to make this. I just don't know if I believe that. Just looks like a lot. I don't think my scale is reading accurately. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of protein powder. I guess I could use vanilla. This one is chocolate peanut butter. I'm just gonna go with it because that's what I have. So, $14 grams. It's about 1/3, so that'll be like an extra 7, and there's already 15 in here, so I feel like that's plenty. Milk. Okay, I'm not even sure if you could see anything that I was doing when I was making this pancake bowl, but I don't have another thing to put syrup in, so I'm just gonna put it on there now, and I reheat it for like 30 to 45 seconds, and it's perfect. Go. And I don't really care if it gets, I mean, it's a pancake, so we're just gonna put the lid on. Ow, burnt myself. I've got my chicken and rice in there. I have a yogurt at work, and I have a carbonated water, so I don't really need to bring anything else with me. I've got my iPad and my phone. I'm gonna need my purse. I need to stir my coffee. The microwave is open. These little coffee stirrers have been amazing. I got these like before I met Morgan at like, I don't know, Home Goods or something. They came in like a pack of 6 of like pink and red back when I used to decorate my coffee bar for like the holidays. And now I just use them every day, and they're the most handy thing. Like the most random thing I bought at Home Goods is actually like something I use on a daily basis. Random. But yeah, I got everything I need. This, my iPad, which I like honestly was not using very often. I don't pay for service on it, and it's already paid off, so it doesn't like cost me anything now. But this has been a lifesaver since I started doing web design, because I'm able to do stuff on the go, on my lunch break, in my car, whatever I need to do, and it has been so nice. So yeah, we'll do a little web designer update later. If you're interested in my journey, or if you're new here, I'll give you a quick recap. I currently work a 9 to 5 for a construction company. I work in the office. I do lots of like admin stuff. And I recently started, well, at the end of last year, I started my web design studio, if you will, web design business, and launched it. It's been going great. I am excited to get more clients, get better at graphic design. I feel like I've already improved so much with my websites just over the last like couple of months. It's crazy, but we're working towards hopefully being able to do web design full time and work for myself. So right now we're hustling with the 2 jobs and YouTube, which sometimes does feel like a 3rd job, believe it or not. And that's the life recap. So I'm gonna grab all my stuff. We have to head to the office. Actually, I have to go to my parents' house first because they're on a cruise. So I'm like making sure the cows are good, all of that jazz. Check on them, and then we're gonna go to the office. Hachi wishes he could go see the cows. Say bye. Okay. Alrighty. And this is why people leave me rude comments. All right, bye. Just know when you leave me comments about my cat being on the table, this is who you're talking to. This is who you're picking on. Angel. Angel. Quickly and got a Coke Zero for the afternoon. This is the Skinny-ish Dish buffalo chicken and rice. So good. I didn't have any celery to add to it, but it does have celery in the recipe. It is 10 out of 10. I also like double the amount of buffalo sauce. I think she uses like a couple tablespoons, and I just like put a good, you know, pour in there, but it is super good. I know it probably doesn't look amazingly appetizing in this paper bowl, but just trust me on this one, super good. Hey y'all, so I'm home from work. I'm already straight up in my pajamas. Actually I want to grab my slippers. My favorite thing to do, I get home, like it's currently 5:27. I got home probably 10 minutes ago. I'm already in pajamas, feeling fabulous. I get home, I chit chat with Morgan for a minute if he's here, and then I go and change clothes, and I just get full on comfy, especially knowing right now in this, we're in our building a business web designer era. I come home and I do a lot of computer work. So I'm working on a logo right now. I'm not going to show you the one she chose. I'll let that be a surprise, but I will show you one. I send 3 options, so I'll show you the one that she didn't choose. Anyways, I'm going to work on hers a little bit more. We're going to use the font from one and the like logo from another. And I think it's going to turn out really cool. But I'm going to work on that and then possibly have dinner and edit this video and try to get it up tonight. I really like to upload Wednesdays or Thursdays and Sundays. Sundays, Wednesdays, or Thursdays, but I would like to do both, Sundays and Wednesday or Thursday, but a lot of the times the week, like, I have a plan and then I blink and it's Friday. And I'm like, okay, well, how are we already here, you know? But I do want to try to get this video up today. So we'll work on that possibly. And then yesterday, I actually had a call, a discovery call with somebody that reached out via my website. I will link my web design website down below if you want to check it out. If you're a business owner, I specifically am targeting like women, creative women, entrepreneurs, you know, like single women shows. I love the wedding industry. The one I'm currently working on is a transaction coordinator, so it's kind of like in the real estate space. I would love to do, I kind of want to dabble with real estate a little bit. Love the wedding industry, kind of want to dabble with like restaurants, and I kind of want to, I don't know, I want to build a couple like mock-ups and just see, I just feel like that could be fun. So yeah, anyways, I had a call with a floral designer who does weddings and events. She's so freaking sweet. She's so cute, and she booked me. So that's exciting. I sent her the contract and we have a start date in a couple of weeks. So I'll be building her. She just wants a 1-page site instead of like the full like 5+ pages, which is perfect. I think it's going to be great for her. She's just started her business a few months ago and it's already booming. So she's ready to invest in a website, and I'm excited to make her one. I already have so many ideas for her. So that will be super fun. And she's kind of local too, which would be cool. Word of mouth. You know, cause it's, I'm doing clients that are like, my first client was in like Washington. I'll do clients anywhere, but I do want to target kind of my local community, because just like from like my hometown, the web designers, there's like 2 agencies and they're huge, and not huge, I mean, it's a small town, but like they're more geared towards like professional and trades, and I'm kind of more geared towards like creatives and things like that. So anyways, this is the one. So it has the little house. I think it turned out really cute. I just love it. But this is, she did not choose this one. So we are working on another one. I do love that one though. I think it's really fun. But I'm going to work on the other one right now. I think I'm actually going to go ahead and get an Adobe Illustrator subscription and start working in there, because Canva's not cutting it at all. I mean, love Canva. I use it for YouTube thumbnails and honestly tons of stuff, but with the fonts and like the icons and the drawings that I want to do and like stuff that I draw on my iPad that I want to bring over, like Canva is like, the downloading stuff in the high quality is not it. So I think I'm gonna invest in Illustrator tonight. So anyways, that's my little spiel for now. I'm gonna get some web design stuff done, and I'll catch up with you whenever I decide to make dinner. How's that? Is that a good plan? With your cute little eyes? He has 2 different colored eyes because he's so sweet and so cute. Yeah. I don't get a lot of Chansey. Oh, yeah, that's you. I'm Chansey. I don't get a lot of Chansey content because usually Hutch is the one all over me, but this boy loves his mama too, don't you? Oh, yes. So, yes, I do. Time got away from me. It's already 7:30, so I'm having dinner. I heated up a couple of these Mediterranean chicken skewers. These are from Sprouts. So good. Literally one of my favorite things that they have. They don't always have them though, so you have to catch them when they're in stock. I will say I talked to a person that worked there about them, and they were like, oh, they weren't in this week's shipment. And I was like, oh, you don't make these here? I didn't say that, but I was thinking like, oh, bummer. I don't know where they're made, but maybe they're just like in one San Antonio location and they get distributed to all Sprouts. I don't know, but they're delish. So I heated up, I just like pulled them off the stick, heated that up. I also have a minute white rice cup. So we're just gonna put that down. Doing sort of like that bowl I made, like the kava inspired bowl, but we don't have any cucumber. And instead of that tzatziki dip, this is basically tzatziki dip too, but this one is the feta cucumber tzatziki dip, and it has a strong like feta flavor. It's so freaking good. I found this at Sprouts. The brand is Good Foods. I also have some tomatoes, so we're gonna top it with that. And I used 3 of these Mission Zero tortillas and cut them up and air fried them into little like pita chips. Yay! So we have those also. Let's go ahead and add the tomato. I did just a whole, oops, I forgot to cut this piece. I just did a whole Roma tomato. It wasn't that big, and I love tomato, so it's fine, however much it is. Okay, tomato, yum. I'm gonna go in with some of this dip. So that's what it's looking like. I do kind of feel like everything should be, I don't know, I probably should have layered this differently, but whatever. A nice healthy dollop. Yum. This is really good on the calories. 40 calories for 2 tablespoons. This is probably like 4 tablespoons worth, 80 calories. But the Mediterranean chicken with this, I think, is about to be perfection. I'm gonna try to get these out without burning myself. We'll see how that goes. Ah, it's not going well. Ah, goodness. And these took about 7 to 8 minutes to get to this like level of crispy. Here is the bowl. Obviously some cucumber, some lettuce would be fabulous. We don't have either. It's Thursday. We're just working with what we got. I am so excited for this, and this little combo, are you kidding? Oh, so good. Doggy approved.